If your Lightroom catalog is starting to feel messy, this video will show you a simple, fast way to organize your photos in Lightroom Desktop. We'll cover the easiest methods you can use right away, including albums, folders, ratings, flags, and keywords, so you can find images faster and keep your workflow clean. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing tips. All right, let's jump in. First, let's talk about the main method, albums. Open Lightroom Desktop and look at the left panel. You'll see your organization tools there, including albums. Albums are the easiest way to group photos by project, client, trip, or style. To create one, click the plus icon and choose Create Album. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later. For example, you might create albums like Travel, Clients, Wedding, Portraits, or HDR. Once the album is created, simply drag the photos you want into it. This is one of the best ways to keep related images together without searching through your whole library every time. Next, use folders for a more basic structure. Lightroom automatically groups photos by import date, which can help you understand when images were added to your catalog. Folders are useful if you want a simple, automatic way to browse your library without overcomplicating things. Think of folders as the broad structure, while albums are your custom organization system. A good workflow is to let Lightroom handle the folder organization, and then use albums to build your own categories on top of that. Now let's make your best photos easier to find with ratings and flags. This is a huge time saver when you have a lot of images to review. Press P to mark a photo as a pick, which means it's one of your favorites or best selects. Press X to mark a photo as a reject, which is useful for blurry shots, duplicates, or images you don't want to keep in your final selection. You can also use star ratings to rank quality. For example, 1 star might mean keep for reference, 3 stars could mean good, and 5 stars could mean your absolute best images. Using ratings and flags helps you quickly sort through large batches and focus on the strongest shots. Another powerful tool is keywords. Keywords help you search and filter your photos later, especially if you work with a lot of different subjects. To add keywords, select a photo and click the tag icon. Then type in words that describe the image, like portrait, beach, family, sunset, product, or event. The more consistent you are with keywords, the easier it becomes to find specific images later. For example, if you always tag travel photos with location names and subjects, you can instantly pull up the exact shots you need. A simple way to stay organized is to combine all 4 methods together. Use folders for broad automatic sorting, albums for custom collections, ratings and flags for selection, and keywords for searchability. That way, you're not relying on just one tool. Instead, you're building a Lightroom system that stays clean as your photo library grows. Here's a quick example workflow. After importing your photos, leave the folder structure as it is. Then create an album for the project. Review your images and mark the best ones with P, reject the bad ones with X, and assign star ratings where needed. Finally, add keywords to your strongest and most important images. In just a few minutes, your photos will be much easier to manage. If you want to save time, try organizing your photos immediately after import instead of waiting until your library gets huge. The sooner you sort them, the easier everything becomes. That small habit can make a massive difference in your editing workflow. And that's how to organize Lightroom photos in a simple, practical way. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Lightroom tutorials and photo editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.